Guys, if you're interested in finding out how much these faceless channels make, I'm going to show you all my analytics right now. Now, keep in mind, I do this in my spare time. This is not like what I do full time, so I've not put all my effort into this. You can see the views for the last month been 54,000, so pretty low. Watch time 1.8 thousand hours. Subscribers up 489 in the past 28 days, and estimated revenue $215. So everything is pretty very low, it's not the greatest of channels, but if you start screen recording videos, it's a nice little side hustle. If you guys are interested in it, you can leave some comments down below in the videos if you need help with something, and I can help you out. Now, if we look at the lifetime of my channel, you can see that the channel has earned $1,176, so not a lot of money at all. Views 448,000, watch time 16,000 hours, and subscribers 6,500. So that's how much this channel has earned. If I click on see more, you'll be able to see where the money is coming from in these videos. So the number one video, you can see how much it outweighs everything else. This one video alone has made $773, and all it was a screen recording video. So if you guys are interested in figuring out how to do this, all you need is OBS Studios, a free screen recorder. You don't need anything other than that, a free screen recorder, and you can start making money like this as a side hustle. But you see the next video below that, the one in second place under the first place at $773 is at $64. So this video is basically carrying the whole channel, pretty much made all the money for this channel. And yeah, overall click-through rate 8%. It is what it is. I want to start devoting more time to the channel and trying to make better videos, and hopefully I can get these numbers up. But this doesn't tell the full 100% story, because I've made a lot more money off of this channel than what you see right here. The AdSense money is the smallest amount of money that I've made off of this channel. The majority of the money that I made off of this channel I made from what do you call, sponsored videos or brand deals, however you want to call it. You know, when people email me and they want me to promote their AI tools, so I'll get most of my money off of those. Should I tell you guys how much I charge for the videos? I mean, I guess I could tell you. I want to show you one video that has like little to no views, but yet I made $200 off of one video. There's probably more money in the brand deals, but you got to be careful, because once you tell somebody that you're going to make them a video, of course you have to deliver, because I mean, I take my payment up front. I'm not playing with them anymore. I used to do that where I'll make something and in the beginning and you know, take the payment afterwards, but I'm not doing that no more. I'll send you a contract and get the payment up front. So this video right here, just if anybody's still watching this video right here, Wave Room AI, a free virtual podcast studio, whatever, it has 264 views. You guys see that? 264 views. That is just terrible. That is like nothing. But this video alone made me $200, so almost a dollar a view, which is really good. But that's just because, you know, I had them pay me up front. You gotta pay me $200 if you want me to make you a video, and that's how I was doing it. But I'm gonna stop doing that, because it really hurts the channel, you know what I mean? So it's not good for the channel when you just do a bunch of promoted videos and then nobody really wants to watch your videos no more. So yeah, it is what it is. I was charging $200 a video, but I'll probably charge more, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm either gonna charge more money to make them videos, or I'm just gonna stop doing promoted videos with these people, because I mean, I don't know, it's a lot of work, and then they want you to do this, that, and the third. Oh, can you add this SEO? Can you add these keywords? But anyways, I'm just rambling on. So yeah, that's how much money my channel made. Yeah, like $1,100, but that's the AdSense money. Like I said, I made a lot more than that off of the brand deals. So it is what it is. You guys get your money, figure out how to get it. And I don't want to ramble on too much longer, but this is my faceless channel. This is, you know, when I started posting videos. I've talked about in the past on one of my other videos how I started off and all the mistakes that I made, all the videos that I paid for on Fiverr. If you guys want a video on that, like an overview, I'll show you all the mistakes that I made and what I did wrong, and then how I started making my videos on my own, and then my channel started taking off like that. So be careful if you're gonna go that route and you think you're just gonna pay for something off of Fiverr and you're just gonna blow up like that. You gotta be careful, because it's really not how it works, or it's gonna cost a ton of money, because you're gonna have to get somebody that really is good at video editing, because a lot of them are gonna give you some garbage video and just take your money basically. All right, let me know if you guys want to see a video about all the mistakes that I made and how I started off this channel buying videos off of Fiverr and why it was a bad idea and how I was able to turn it around and start making money off of these companies that contact me through email, and also, you know, a little bit of AdSense money on top of that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.